you are here in the US celebrating the Ambedkar Jayanti. How are these celebrations going to kick off tomorrow and starting today?
Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is also a great leader, and Babasaheb Ambedkar was studied here in Columbia University. And after that, he became the big leader. He was a social activist, he was a political activist, he was economic activist. And Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, many people are following his philosophy. And I am also proud about Babasaheb Ambedkar, because Mr. Dilip Amaskej invited me here, because tomorrow, 14th April, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's Jayanti is celebrating here in America, in New York, in a United Nations office, and Dilip Amaskej invited me here. In Maharashtra, Babasaheb Ambedkar was worked very hard, and he was also the architect of Indian Constitution. And the world is also knows his name, the world is also knows his philosophy, and Indian democracy is the best democracy. Indian constitution is also the best constitution in the world. And therefore, in intellectual also, many people are also supporting Babasaheb Ambedkar's philosophy, and I am also very happy because Dilip Amaskej invited me here to attend this tomorrow's 14th April's celebration of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti, and therefore many people will meet me tomorrow. Many Ambedkar people are staying in United USA and in America also. And many times I came here, when I came here, I am visiting the Lehman Library in Columbia University, because there is a statue of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. And when Babasaheb Ambedkar was studying here in 1913, at that time he was studying there. He was sitting in the library near about 18 hours in one day. And this was also very proud about Babasaheb Ambedkar, was a very great student. And we are also happy because Babasaheb Ambedkar statue is in Lehman Library in Columbia University. And every time when I came here in America, I went to the Lehman Library and I give the flowers to Babasaheb Ambedkar statue, putting the flowers of Babasaheb Ambedkar statue. I am going to see the library also, and therefore I get the inspiration from that Lehman Library, and therefore tomorrow I will attend the celebration of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti, and 4 or 5 days my tour is also here in America, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also very strongly supporting the Babasaheb Ambedkar's philosophy. When Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister, at that time he started the 26th November day as a Constitution Day, because that day Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was given the Constitution draft to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Rajendra Prasad ji. And when Modi ji became the Prime Minister, he announced that the 26th November is a very important day, and in all over India we are also celebrating the 26th November day also. And Modi ji has announced 2 days parliament session when Babasaheb Ambedkar was completed 125 years. And at that time 2 days at the parliamentary session was also there, and I was also present in that session, and therefore our government, the government of India, is also fully supporting the Babasaheb Ambedkar, his philosophy, and I am also the follower of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. I am the national president of Republican Party of India, and the Republican Party is also here in America also, and Republican Party is also in India also. But all right, Republican Party is in America, but Babasaheb Ambedkar wanted the Republican Party of India in all over India, and that party I am also running in all over India. My party is in Maharashtra, in Northeast, South India, North India, every places. My party is also there, and many people, crore people are also supporting the philosophy of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and all political parties are also celebrating the Jayanti of Babasaheb Ambedkar. not only in Maharashtra, not only America, but in many countries, many people are also celebrating the Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti Day, and therefore today I am here in Aravidas Gurudwara here in New York, and we also know that Dr. Aravidas, Guru Ravidas also worked for the social equality because he want to destroy the casteism. He don't want the casteism, and we are also very proud about Guru Ravidas also, and therefore I am present here in this Gurudwara, and I like the function of this Gurudwara because today is Sunday, and many people who are supporting the Guru Nanak, Sikh religion, and Guru Ravidas also. They are also coming here. The men and women and boys and girls all are also present.
गर्मियों की छुट्टी होने वाली थी, मेरे पापा आने वाले थे, तो हम लोग सभी खुश थे। तो मैं एक बेड पे चढ़ के
डांस कर रहे थे,
डांस कर रहा था, लेकिन वो पहले ही आ गए।
फ्रीज।
तो मैं उस समय तो कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकता था, तो फ्रीज फ्रेम टाइप का हो गया।
कसम पैदा कर